We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave. And today I want to share with you the silver custom projects for strategy quant. There is 6 in total. Let me go show you where those are. So we're on the blog, which I will leave in the description below for the silver project. All of them are downloadable from this icon right here from Dropbox. So you can go ahead and download all 6 of them from this one downloaded file. I'll start doing that for the future, all downloadable in one file. So we've got all of the silver projects right here that you will download from that file and upload into Strategy Quant. So silver is definitely more challenging to make strategies than gold. Gold is so much easier. I can't really understand why it's so much easier, but I definitely recommend using the daily chart on the volume 2, and you can turn off one of the options here. It is trading options exit on Friday. I turned it off. You can turn it on, but I find like this one really helped to make some strategies on the daily chart once I turned it off much faster. So yeah, just a little tip there. Definitely want to swap out the building blocks, and good luck to you for building a silver strategy, and let me know how it goes. So now you've got gold, now you've got silver, and you can build some strategies with that. Next, I'm going to move on to the indexes, so NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and I will start creating some custom projects for those. And so you can make some great custom projects for those, which are much easier than silver. Silver is very difficult. I thought it was. And yeah, the NASDAQ and Dow Jones and S&P 500 index are so much easier to create strategies for. So if you found silver too difficult, then you definitely won't find the indexes difficult at all. And we'll see you in the next one.